Let's talk a brief about the mysteries of Bermuda Triangle today. Ever wonder where do the ships, planes, and people go when they go near that infamous Bermuda Triangle? There are few theories. Presence of large fields of methane hydrates, the story of Atlantis that is believed to be sunk into the ocean. Compass problems are one of the most cited problems in many Bermuda Triangle incidents, and it is also believed that there is a time tunnel in that area. Which one is your favorite? So now, here comes the most important part of this video. I have no idea whether this has been tried in the past or not, but why don't we try to use drone and camera to at least know where that drone, where that airplane, where that ship is going, and what is actually happening to all of these transports. We will at least get to know about something, or we will at least get some leads. If you want to read up more about Bermuda Triangle, just check the description below. I have given few links where you can get the best stuffs on Bermuda Triangle. And yes, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video, and share the other contents with your friends, families, and your connections.